Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a language on Duolingo. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and go to the Duolingo website and log into your account. Click on More and select Settings. From the right sidebar, click on Manage Course. If you can't find the Manage Course option, you can type duolingo.com/settings/reset, then language in the address bar and hit enter. It will open up the Manage Course window. Once in the Manage Course section, it will show you the list of languages you are learning. Find and select the language and click on Remove. A confirmation box will appear. Confirm by clicking Remove. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.